guys, today this is an adorable memory and we're going to make it impenetrable. Because the guinea pigs are just walking around in circles.
Are you still walking around in circles?
Kind of.
Come on, that up.
Aww.
Okay, Jenna?
No more upstairs.
They can drop it.
Yeah, the guinea pig jump up there.
Okay.
Guinea pig jump. Dad, are you gonna make a new one?
No.
For real? Daddy!
What?
If he brings his chainsaw out, then he's totally gonna make a new one.
Yeah. You know we're still filming. He doesn't actually have a chainsaw, does he?
No, he does.
What?
Yeah, you know that thing he uses to cut wood? His chainsaw.
Chainsaw power! We should probably get the guinea pigs out. Oh yeah, feet reveal. Every day I wear the same socks. No, like the same socks that have the same design, not the actual same socks.
She totally wears the actual socks.
Liar! And maybe the same shirt from yesterday.
She totally wears the same shirt from yesterday.
Also, I hope you enjoyed our blinding light show.
She totally did not enjoy that.
I enjoyed that. I enjoyed it very much. Oh, the camera's kind of covered by my shirt that I wore the same day as
Well, now we can get face revealed all we want, right?
Okay, because I can still see a little bit. Maybe get Daddy face reveal. If Daddy's okay with everyone seeing his face.
Random strangers hunting him down.
I mean, look, he's showing his face right now, and he's okay with it.
Yeah, now random strangers can hunt him down.
Yeah! Wait, what? Guinea pigs! Are you hear Magnus that thing? It's a magnet. He
has his chainsaw. He's using his chainsaw.
Let's go take the guinea pigs out. Can we?
That is totally.
Oh, he already
Oh,
made
he's
it.
jumping up. Oh my God.
Oh my. Daddy, can you take the guinea pigs out? Daddy, take the guinea pigs out. Or else I will punch you in the butt.
Daddy, Kevin, we're still recording.
I'm not actually going to punch him in the butt.
She's totally is. I'll tell you off camera.
You can't tell someone off camera and I'm not.
No,
Come on, Jaden. Jaden, let's the comments will be disabled. Oops! Gotta put this back where it belongs.
What did you take?
I touched this and it fell. Jaden's chewing on it. No, don't chew on that. Chew on this. Chew it! No, he's too busy chewing on the bridge.
Oh my God, the bridge looks so different. Daddy did not put any effort this time.
Daddy, maybe we take that.
Can you move it onto the side? Like this one? No, the side over there. Yeah. No.
The side.
The side.
Well, this is a home improvement. Daddy, can we?
You don't have to shoot him with that staple gun. It's pointed right at you. Ah! It's pointed right at you. The gun's pointed right at you.
I don't want to get shot with stable. Take the guinea pigs out.
Check it out.
What?
You take it.
But I can't lift them up. They all hate me.
They don't hit me. They heart me.
Okay, why don't you take them out then?
Why don't you take them out?
Why me?
It's pointed right at Kitty.
No! Yeah, this is a sad point.
Daddy has the gun.
Daddy has a gun. He's got a gun.
He's got the staple gun. He's got the staple gun. Feet reveal.
If we die, sue him.
Feet reveal. Feet reveal. Feet reveal.
get up. Oh, geez.
Gimme?
If Giddy falls, oh no.
Daddy! Daddy, I want to take them out. Not losing. I don't